We're cruising at 600 degrees. Let's put this bad boy in. Everybody, welcome back to Smoke for Barbecue's YouTube channel. I want to say thanks for stopping by and hope you're having a great day so far. Today I want to feature this new grill to our lineup that we have. We're growing almost feels like every single day out here. This is the London Sunshine 13-inch Kamado, and it is everything that you would think of as a kamado-style cooker. Now I want to go ahead and feature this, do some quick highlighting of this thing here specifically, and make sure you're aware of it, things I'm already appreciating of this grill, having just cooked on just one time so far, but you can go and get to that now. All right, so the first thing I want to focus on here are those two springs we have. They are overbuilt for the size of this grill. Because they are so overbuilt, it makes it really easy to raise and lower this thing. Again, it's super small. That being said, it makes it simple to pick it up and lower it. We'll get a little dirty. Get time for a cleaning to raise and lower that thing. Secondly, I want to focus on is the gasket. You can see that is you can't see it. There you go. Extremely thick on the top and bottom. When you close it, makes it for amazing seal all the way around. And it comes this way at the packaging. So it comes already pre-calibrated to close correctly. That's something you don't see every day for the larger size Kamados. Rotating around, we have the thermometer. In case you didn't know what temperature smoking, baking, grilling, and searing were, they are right there. We have the small flywheel. I tell you, it's more cute than anything else. And then when you assemble it, you actually do put two screws in there with bolts on them, so this is not going to go anywhere. And lastly, we have the vent down the bottom. You can, of course, close it all the way down. You can open it with the whole vent, as well as open it all the way to get maximum airflow for all your grilling needs. All right, so you can see some key features here that I'm going to be really take into account and understanding and using when I'm grilling on this thing. I think the next thing we're doing is, I think I'm going to do a tri-tip on this, because our tri-tip is a little bit bigger piece of meat, but I know this thing can handle it, and I'm super excited to go and get to that. But that'll be another video. Today we just did I want to do a comparable cook on this thing, which was I think it was bacon wrapped. They're trying to pretend like it was filet mignon, but it actually was a small sirloin steak wrapped in bacon, which I took the bacon off because I'm gonna get sidetracked there. Anyway, so it was a small sirloin, which I felt was kind of commensurate to the size of the grill, but not necessarily the quality or the capacity of the grill to cook some amazing food. So it was a very small steak, which we did, which had a lot of fun. It was a pretty good steak. Can't wait to cook more things on this thing. As I just said before, I want to do a tri-tip next, so just stay tuned for the next video when we do that. But again, any questions, please let me know. I have a link in the description where you can purchase this thing at a discount for London Sunshine. Any questions, please let me know. I'm super excited about this thing, and hope you have a great day.